Hello, hello, hello. Today, what we're going to do is set up the Metatrader 4 chart to a clean chart. Um, Reason why is because that's the real way of looking at Forex. We don't want indicators to cloud the mind, right? We want to first know what we're looking at always, okay? So if you're looking for your chart to be clean without any indicators, this is for you. Let's jump into it. Let's right click on your chart, go to properties. Once we're here at properties, right, let's unclick some things and let's check some things also. So this will be checked, uncheck chart auto scroll, uncheck that, okay? Also, we want to check show ask line. We want to uncheck the show period separator. And we also want to take out the grid. All right, we also don't need the OHLC. So let's take that out. So now let's go to the colors. And depending, I'm going to go over two schemes, the black and the white background. So today I'm going to put the candles as green and red. All right. Our green is going to be our bullish. Our red is going to be our bearish. Okay. So what we're going to do is let's go start with this black background. We're going to take off, we can keep the grid on how it is, okay, because the grid is going to be also your price line. So what we're going to do is we want bullish, correct? So we're going to go green. We can choose these, there's deep green, there's olive green, whatever really that suits your eye, right? But we're just going to go with a regular green. And what we said also, our bearish movement is going to be red. So we want to find our red. Oh, there it goes. Our bullish, once again, is green. Our bearish, red, right? Line, since it's on a black background, what we can do is make a white for your line graph. We don't need a volume. And we can keep the ask price as is, okay? Press OK. And there we go. We have a clean chart going on here. This is how your chart shall look, okay? I'll pull up the settings once again, but this time we're gonna flip-flop it, right? We're gonna make it a white background instead. So in order to do that, all we have to do is go to background, select white, okay? You see how there's nothing here? On the side, the pips, the dates, they aren't showing. So what we're gonna have to do is go to the foreground, select black, and you'll see them. Let's press OK. And there you go. Your chart will be as a white background. So what we can do is, in order to save these templates, what we need to do is right click, save template, and name your template, right? Okay. So I made mine the Metatrader clean. What I'll do also, I'll go back and I'm going to make my background, my 4 once again. Now I can go to templates, save template, Metatrader 4, clean, black. Awesome. And that's how you set up your Metatrader 4 clean chart. If you have any questions, any type of scheme that you're wanting me to that you have in request, hey, put it down in the comment section, and hey, I'll go at it. Thank you. And this is Chip. You stay blessed.